Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify referral program. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to set up a referral program, you need to simply get an integration, search referral program on top search bar and then head over to the App Store. Once we are here, you can see we have various different products and softwares which are providing referral systems, and you can easily install any of these. Like for example, we have this referral candy and affiliate. We can go with this, and this is gonna help us to create this referral links and all that stuff. So yeah, it is actually pretty simple. You also have snowball affiliate marketing, and you can see we can create different type of coupons, links, and different type of referral programs. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.